I have to go to OGSP today.
Okay.
I would like you to tell me an explanation why my radiator is leaking for 1 month and a half and nothing has been done yet, and I'm still losing clothes. But I will still have, it's wet, it's moldy,
And
it's
Mark,
destroyed.
and Mark said what on the last message there to you?
Say that he will have a guy coming by. It was on Saturday. A radiator leaks every day, every second.
Mhm.
I told you about this. Well, I mentioned to Marcus September 22nd. 1 month and a half. Why is not fixed? Tell me why it is not, and tell me whom you called, because you say you have to call and find, and then you tell me when people can do
All right,
it.
you can.
I cannot.
have you
I would
texted
like no. I would like you to tell me and tell the OGSP why it is not done yet, and if it is done, tell me who you called. Look here.
I don't know. I don't know the name.
Well, tell me the phone number. You go. Look
I
here.
don't-
Look
I-
here.
Why?
There's a camera.
Why?
No, because they need the proof of me talking to you about it. Okay.
I know, but you can speak to mention to Mark Asper and see if I got exactly who he called to, because I pass it on to usually him and that.
Are you the landlord of this? Are you son of the landlord of this property?
Yeah, I'm one of the.
And Mark
yeah.
is the son of the property. You're the one who resides here.
The what?
Are you the son of the landlord?
Yeah.
Mark is the son of the landlord,
Yeah.
and you're the one who resides here.
That what?
You're the one who resides in my building.
Okay. Yeah.
That is why I'm talking to you.
Okay.
You never had a problem talking to you when
Yeah,
when you would like to accept the rent from me. But whenever that's supposed to be done, how would you say, I mentioned something?
Well, yeah. Well,
I
I
was
pass
you-
on. Well, I always pass the message
no,
on.
No, I didn't pass the message.
No, I'm just saying I'm passing the message to whoever to.
I didn't pass the message to you. What I was
Oh.
saying is, I told you repeatedly, and you using different excuse not. So, stove, fridge, door, and radiator. How long the stove was? 3 years. Yeah.
Part I'm not sure of. I didn't.
You know why you're not sure?
I never heard of it being until the last one.
You haven't heard, or you haven't had the proof. Because right now I'll just say the proof. Because I asked you about Mark's behavior.
What?
About Mark's behavior.
Mark's behavior.
Yeah. No, it's not what I'm talking about. I just bring you the proof that I'm talking to you about my living conditions because they're interested. So, again, whom did you call? Did you call anybody? Yes or no?
As far as I know, they spoke with somebody.
Did you call anybody?
I
As you
didn't, call, I
said.
didn't personally call, but
Okay, so
I passed
they
it on to
called.
some- as far as I know, they called.
So it's
somebody.
been 1 month and a half of water dripping, and my apartment looking